Hope you guys are doing amazing. In this video, I will be showing you the Neewer dimmable bicolor LED video light. When we're comparing the price, we're looking around the $100 range for this one. There are a few other LED lights with around the same price range, but with less LEDs. So if you're starting to make videos, this is a pretty good video light to start with. One thing to note, you will need to make some further purchases because you're not getting any light stand or any batteries with this. So if you're planning to use this where there's no outlet, but for someone like myself, I don't really need any batteries because this is going to be stationary. So the thing we get here are a nice carrying case with some nice padding inside. Also, we have the adapter along with the power cable here. Seems to have a decent length. But once you go ahead and put it up higher in a light stand, it will tangle a bit. So I wish this was a little bit longer, it would have been a little bit better. Looking at the front of the light, we have a metal frame which feels very solid and durable, which I like. And this one comes with a total of 960 LEDs, with 480 being yellow and 480 white, with the range of 3200 to 5600 Kelvin. Which we will test out in a bit as well. First thing that I tested out was to see if there was any flickering. The good news is I shot a video, slow motion, and did not detect any flickering, which is amazing. As prior lights that I used before did have flickering, which drove me nuts. Here you see the light diffuser, which can be easily removed or put back on. Just make a note, if you're going to buy one of these RGB lighting from Neewer, the lighting diffusers have a film on it, which you need to remove before putting it on. Just keep that in mind. So pretty much to put the light diffuser, just slide it in here, as so here. And then we can just raise the two plastic things on top, so it will not go anywhere, which is nice. The back of the unit, we have here the slots for the battery. Also, we have the switch here, which has the 2 and 1 here, which can switch the source which to draw power from, either from the batteries, if you put a number 2 here, or number 1, it will from the power cable here. Now we have the 2 wheels here, which control the yellow light, also the white light. And both are dimmable, and you're able to play around with these by turning only the white or turning both at temperature you prefer pretty much. So you're able to play around with these a little bit. The way I kind of seem to be using this, leaving the yellow just a tiny bit and then turning the white almost all the way up, which works for me. So with the unit also we have the rotatable 360 ball head here, which works very well, and it's all metal built, so this will last forever. It's all very nice build quality here. Pretty much to put it on, all you need to do is just slide it in from this side and then just tighten it, and that's it. And just to rotate it, just untighten that, and you're able to move it any way you want to, which works very nicely. So let's go ahead and plug this in and turn it on and show you how this works. Really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you guys liked it, or subscribe if you haven't done so already. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.